Well, this is going to be your guide to make your Huracan Tecnica, STO, Evo, or Performante sound like a 5-liter Gallardo. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. You may have seen in some of our other videos, we have transformed the 5.2-liter landscape for these odd-firing V10 Lamborghinis and Audi R8s. We have a very blue Huracan Tecnica here that just got our new Catback system. Again, this Catback system designed, engineered, and developed right here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania to give enthusiasts that smooth, high-pitch, 5-liter type sound. Make it sound a little bit more like my favorite car of all time, the Carrera GT, or one of our favorite super sports cars, the Lexus LFA. With the same V10 type of configuration, a lot of engineering and development has gone into creating this exhaust system. You can see the configuration behind it. It's a stainless steel setup utilizing the factory exhaust tips, and it gives that smooth, high-pitched exotic sound back to this 5.2-liter platform. In this video, startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, launch control, we're gonna do it all so you know exactly how good your Huracan with the center exit exhaust configuration, STO, Tecnica, Evo, or Performante is gonna sound with the new generation of Valvetronic Designs F1 Sport exhaust system. It is truly something that is unparalleled in the market. There's another company out there that is producing a similar type of system, but it's $20,000, 6-month lead time, and it's a full system that includes headers, and you have to drop the engine to do so. This is just a Catback system, stainless steel. It's not a crazy amount of money because we believe in giving enthusiasts the ultimate experience, make it easy and simple to install, and of course have it readily available for you to enjoy. Let's get to the sound, people. This thing is now extremely special because you still get the normal Gallardo kind of 5.2 sound down low, but once you get up high, the sound really changes to be something extremely exotic and very, very motorsport compared to any other system out there. There's a lot of engineering design characteristics that have gone into building this exhaust. It's taken us a long time to do it, but it's a setup that we believe is a cut above anything else that's ever been put out there. You don't have to remove the engine, you don't have to do any of that wild stuff. All you have to do is bolt this catback on and you get this incredible high-pitched, smooth, even firing sound, which we absolutely love. Ricochet of sound off these buildings. And again, folks, this is a car with stock headers, stock cats. It's just a bolt-on catback. Everybody, is our engine swapped, sounds like it, Huracan Tecnica configuration. This setup has a lot of different engineering characteristics that have transformed the way these cars sound. Again, it's just a catback system. This car is bone stock. It has the factory headers, the factory cats, everything is factory except for the catback system. You're really transforming the pitch and the sound quality of your 5.2 liter V10 Huracan Tecnica, Evo, Performante, or STO with this configuration. Thanks everybody for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support that we've gotten for this new exhaust configuration. At Valvetronic Designs, we get a lot of hate for maybe where our company began, but now designing, engineering, testing, and building some of the most incredible exhaust configurations for enthusiasts around the world right here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. This is one of our proudest developments ever. It's taken us over a year to engineer and develop this setup, but we wanted to deliver enthusiasts the ultimate experience that is completely uncompromised. If you want to combine this setup with a set of cat deletes, with the OEM headers, you can, and it cranks up the sound even more. So we'll show you that video here soon, but we're just stoked that everybody is enjoying this new revolutionary sound characteristics brought to you only by Valvetronic Designs. See you guys in the next video.